bullshit, that is wrong design. If you want to have the two finger system, it is here, so you're outside the grip. And if you use this, yeah, you're here, there's not really a lever. And furthermore, you squeeze your fingers here, what the fuck? And furthermore, if you do it like this, always two fingers on the brake as motorbike drivers do, you squeeze your fingers here, and this edge is not nice to hold. This is just not usable. Final solution for this scooter, what did we do? I mounted the original lever again, so we have the possibility to, when we give gas, we don't squeeze our fingers here, because the lever has a wrong design. And with the two finger system, we can just use the lever here, and my hand is not on the outside of the grip. Because when you remember the PM lever, you had to take it here. This means the two fingers are outside of the grip, so completely senseless. So this is clutch side, and on the other side we mounted that zip lever. Shape is okay, we can use the clutch like this. No, cannot we squeeze these fingers, we just use it like that and it's fine. The clutch works again, so the lever stroke here is big enough for the proper clutch function, and we additionally have the possibility to use here this screw to pull the cable out. This means you can actually change the real clutch effect. This cable, that's just a screw, and it pulls the cable out of here. Don't know if you can see it. And that's the tolerance. And now it's quite comfy to ride. It's also silver, so also design wise not so bad.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
That's normal. This is a reserve, so it's exactly the same as it seems. That is a lot of fuel.